Hey everyone, I've got a quick update for you. We've just released a comprehensive new challenge for investigating macOS endpoints. It's called the Korvath incident, and you'll find it in the additional content module. It's completely free if you're enrolled in the course. This is a comprehensive new challenge centered around a new employee at a fictitious planetary sciences university. We went so far as to purchase a dedicated computer and cell phone. We stood up an email infrastructure and even stood up a website. This entire challenge is based on real-world macOS malware. So the scenario that you're going to be investigating is not something contrived. Again, it is based on real-world TTPs, and I think that you're going to have a great time taking a look at it. Now, I will warn you that the disk image associated with this challenge is over 200 gigs in size, but you don't necessarily need to download it. We've created a Mac APT triage collection, and we're also providing a log archive bundle and even a Unix-like artifacts collector or UAC collection from the live and running system during the incident response. So you're going to have all of this evidence that you can take and then apply your skills and go investigate this compromise. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with it. If you're not currently enrolled in investigating macOS endpoints and you're looking for comprehensive macOS forensics training, well then what are you waiting for? Our course is completely up to date and ready for you to enroll today. Check it out at training.13cubed.com. And by the way, as soon as we get hands-on with the macOS 27 beta, which as I'm recording this will soon be released, we'll be hard at work investigating that new operating system to look for the forensic implications there. Any changes to our forensic artifacts or anything you need to know will, of course, be incorporated into investigating macOS endpoints. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the course.